Hey, my name is Christine, and I'm from Florida. And I heard about LeafFilter on TV and am having a major problem with my gutters. So I gave them a call, and they came out the next day. Her name was Kiki, and she was so informative. She took pictures of my gutter with her phone extension, and she just sold me. She was just wonderful, wonderful. The gentleman who came out was so nice, showed me everything, actually did some extra work for me. So I wish I could show you the waterfall that I had from my gutters, because they were so clogged. It was like a sheet of rain, and it was also leaking into my lanai. I would recommend LeafFilter to anyone who is having gutter issues. In my case, it was a tree with thistles and constantly clogging. And I'm a senior, and I can't get up on a ladder and clean that filter out. So this has just been amazing. And anybody who's watching this, I recommend LeafFilter.